you clicked on the video, you saw how hype I was, and you thought to yourself, I don't like it.
Just that bounce right here.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Wig Types. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Yes, I'm wearing all black. I forgot, and I ain't changing right now, okay? It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got a little bit left of her Stella Rosa Peach to pour into her glass because, listen, this week has been rough. You hear me? So I'm gonna go ahead and pour just the rest of it in the glass. Like, don't stop playing. Stop playing. Get in there. Ugh, Lord. Me and Ken was sipping on this last week when he was here, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up for us, okay? Listen. Ooh, quench me, quench me. That's good. Now, before we get into my install and the rest of that wine, y'all, we are featuring 32 inches today. Did I say 32? 32. So if you want to see how I laid these inches down, make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming now. But we miss it cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Wig Types. It is a sensational unit from the Butta Lace collection. This is the unit straight 32. I got her in the color 1B, and this unit does retail around $60 for these inches, okay? Now, before you talk about that being super expensive, just know that I feel like this is worth it. And I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, hold it. This unit does come in specialty colors, so if you want to check it out, you can. I did order the balayage mocha color. It was supposed to be here today, but it's running late, so I can't show y'all what that looks like on me. But don't worry, I will still serve the looks in that unit and show you guys later. Now, this unit does come with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit is for the big hair girls, so if you are a big hair gang like me, 23 inches on a bad day, this joint is comfortable. Now, this is a human hair blend unit, so it is heat safe up to about, I would say about 400 degrees. And when I tell you this hair is soft, okay, when I say soft, I mean butter. You hear me? This hair is gorgeous, okay? Now at 32 inches, you will get shedding and tangling. Let's run that back again. At 32 inches, you will get shedding and tangling because it is so long and there's still synthetic fibers in this unit, okay? It's not human hair, it's a human hair blend, meaning it has human hair and premium fibers in the unit. And the texture is also thick. I would say thick like a 200% density human hair wig thick. I was like, okay, she got body. And do y'all see the luster of the hair? Okay, the luster of the hair is very natural. Now, this isn't a lace front unit, but it does have lace across the front as well as a deep center part. So basically like a T-part unit if you're talking, you know, human hair wigs, okay? So you can definitely go in and pluck up the unit a little bit to give it more of a natural look. Y'all did see me go in and pluck up the hairline just a little bit. Well, not pluck up, I pulled out some hair in the hairline and then I kind of swooped some little baby hairs here to kind of give me the look that I wanted. The lace blended down perfectly. I did use my contour shade to do that because I wanted to make sure it blended down to my skin tone. When you have ashy lace, especially on a synthetic wig, if you wear makeup, use your contour shade to blend it down, and I promise it will give you a perfect match every single time. You hear me? I can't complain on this unit, okay? I cannot complain and I won't. Like, how can you be mad at this? I mean, I know somebody will. Somebody will still find something wrong with this because of the shedding and entangling, whatever else. It's like,
what more do you want from me? Oh my God.
I mean, like, what are you mad at? What are you really mad at? You clicked on the video, you saw how hype I was, and you thought to yourself, I don't like it. That's what I think they sound like when it's trolls or whatever. Look at her having a good time. Ugh, disgusting. Some of y'all don't know what you want, okay? I'm trying to tell you what you want, and what you want is this wig. Some of y'all want the human hair quality on a synthetic budget, and that's, I'm telling you now, it's not gonna happen. Stop chasing that fantasy right now. Right now. It's not gonna happen, sis and Gary, because I know you watching Gary. It's not gonna happen for you either, okay? It's, listen. Shop in your budget for the looks that you want. And this is why I say that unit is worth every bit of that $60. Listen, a human hair blend unit at 32 inches, listen. Inches galore. It's getting caught in my nail. Hold up. It's time for these nails to come off. They're starting to lift up. Okay, it's been about 2 weeks. Okay, it's time to come off. But y'all, the inches, just be mindful though, you know, keep that brush a little handy. You're gonna get a little frizzy, okay? You can't just smooth that out. Just hit it with a brush real quick. But what are we thinking, y'all? What are we thinking? I think this hair is gorgeous, okay? It moves really nice. Rapunzel, who? She could never. You hear me? Oh, she looks good. I'm here for this. Now look who just showed up. Doorbell just rang, and here she go. Look at her. Look at her. Okay, so that's a cute color. Oh, it goes all the way down, y'all. Yeah, I like that color. I like that color. So we may need to go ahead and pop her on. I don't know. Do I want to do it? Okay, you know I was going to do it. Okay. Like I said, this one is the balayage mocha. So I do like this color on me. Y'all, this is gorgeous. I would definitely say the shedding and tangling is across the board. Okay, shedding and tangling was on this one as well. And all the tangling is around like the bottom of the units. I would definitely say the shedding and the tangling is probably like the con that I have for this unit. But again, a human hair blend in 32 inches for $60. Let me go ahead and drink. But I will say that the lace on this one seemed to blend down a lot easier than the natural color. The natural color had more of like an ashy lace. And I also feel like the hairline on this one was a lot better than the natural color. So yeah. I'm not complaining, okay? I am not complaining about it one bit. Okay, so which color do we like the most on me? I'm here for this, y'all, and guess what? You should be too. Shout out one more time to Wig Types for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.